Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money on Shutterstock. You do not require any skill. You can just upload your photographs. You can even upload your daily photographs as well and earn a good amount of money. You can see guys, it's completely free of cost. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to be submitted on this website. Okay, you can see you just produce high quality image videos. Okay, you just need to submit and get paid, and you can even refer to your friends and earn a lot. Okay, what you need to do, I just tell you step by step how you are going to get payments from this website. Okay, you can see guys, over the last 15 years $1 billion payout. Okay, you can also earn a good amount of money by just selling your photographs. And don't worry guys, don't leave this video if you are not a photographer, professional photographer. I'll teach you how you can sell in this website online completely free of cost. No skill required, nothing is required, absolutely free. Okay, just for that support guys, just please hit the like button and just subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos, and there is always a motivation to give you a best quality content to you guys, how to earn money online just by sitting at home. You do not require any skill, that's it. Okay, so what you need to do guys, okay, we all know that guys, hundreds and thousands of mails are coming on my website that so please, can you please teach me how to earn money online? I don't have any skill, what should I do? I'm a mother of 5 children, I don't know how to create money because I don't have time to learn new skills. Don't worry guys, I'm with you. I teach you how you can spend just 10 to 15 minutes of your day and you can earn a good amount of money. Don't worry and just watch this video till the end. Okay, I'll show you how you can do it. Okay, so let me just give you a glimpse about this. So guys, you have on the YouTube and on biggest platforms, whether it is advertisements and all, biggest companies are coming in this website and just buy the video clips and photographs from you. Okay, and they are paying you for that. How to set up the payment, how to do it, I just teach you how. So in this, you just need to sign up. You can see that there is a sign up, so just click on this sign up button. Okay, and the description and the link of this website I have just posted in the description box. Okay, from that you can go to this website. Okay, so you just need to type your whole name, okay, and your username guys, okay, the display name that should be there, okay, and your email ID and your password. Okay, and just click on I'm certified. Okay, and click next. That's it guys, and a confirmation on your website is coming. Okay, you can see guys, confirmation verification mail is coming. You can see, you just click on this, please click here to verify your email. Just click on this thing and you just need to click on this next button. Okay, and you just select your country details guys. It's very important for you to add a good. Okay, so just click and just add everything. Okay, just click next. And I'm not uploading right now. Okay, I'll just show you how it looks like. So I just click on the go to your dashboard. Okay, I just show you each and every step how you can earn. Okay, so you can see guys, in the whole world, okay, in the whole country, your shop is set up. Okay, this is your shop. Okay, this is your shop, and you just need to upload some videos and photographs. I'll teach you how to upload your photographs completely free of cost. If you are having your own photographs, okay, whenever you are visiting some places and you are more born to click selfies and all of the nature as well as from forest, whatever it is, you just need to upload it, and that's simple. Okay, I'll just show you how you can upload. You can see guys, you can upload images as well as videos. Okay, just I click on this images. Okay, just click on this images button. Okay, and you can see guys a menu in the form of JPEG is coming. Just click on this, got it, and just select multiple files, okay, and just click on one of the photograph that I have. You can see guys, this is my photograph, okay, that I have uploaded. It will take some time, and you just need to click on the next, okay, just click on this next, and there are some few things that you need to upload, okay. Just click start adding details, okay. You just need to add some details guys, okay. Just click on this photograph, okay, and you need to give some details, okay guys. Just click on this image type is photo, and commercial, it is for commercial use, okay, and just give some description, okay. Just give it is a beautiful tower, okay guys. You are good in writing the description, okay. You do it on your own self. I just I don't have some ideas. I just tell you, the description is not that much important. The keywords are, guys, just pay attention to the keywords, that where the search results are coming, okay. Just click on this, it's a historic place. Just click on historic, it's a building, architecture, historic, and travel, tourism. Just click a set of 7 to 8 image keywords, okay, or what type of keywords I just know. Monuments, okay, just you can choose religious or ancient, okay. Just have you can set up to 50 keywords, okay. The more you have, and you can write your own, and you can search more keywords as well, okay guys. You can do it on your own. I don't select more because these are sufficient for me, okay. And you can see guys what type of thing it is, okay. I can write wildlife, abstract. I need to select the categories, okay. Buildings or monuments, landmark, okay, and what all category I just define, okay. Let me just check what type of religious I should choose, okay. Location, it is optional. I just do recommend you to locate yourself, okay. Okay, I just do recommend you to write United States, okay, so that people from United States can buy more products from you, okay. Or you can choose Africa and Canada as well, okay, so that your search engine optimization is increased and the search results are more on this, okay. Just click on this submit, and you can see guys it is actually ready, okay. Just click on this cross button, and you can see guys the pending option, and it will take some review guys. You can see your pending item will reviewed within 5 days, so at least 5 days it will take guys. Don't worry if your account in your email ID, in your registered email ID, it is already stored. Now I need to give you some payment details, okay. Just need to give you some details that you need to put in. So just come up in this upload button guys, okay. Just come up in this upload button, and you can see in the account settings, you just click on this account settings, okay, and you need to add some payment details, okay. You just click on this, your PayPal account. I just prefer you to add the PayPal account, okay, and your email ID, that your PayPal account is verified, okay. The minimum payout is $35, okay. I just do recommend you to have a look on these earning potentials, okay, and I just do recommend you to have a referral kind of thing, okay. So you can see guys, 0.04 dollar you can able to earn, okay, if that person visit this website, okay. And even from if it is from your link, if you are suggesting your friends that you can buy some of the links from my referral, then you can get guys $200, okay, to 20% up to, means you are getting good amount, okay. $200 up to by just suggesting someone to buy from your referral link, okay. You can come up with the if you are in a reputed company, you can do one thing, guys. Don't worry if you are not good for company. You just upload the documents, and I'll just give you some insights that create a Facebook page and just upload your own pictures, and just click on the referral link, and you can so that buyers will contact you and will get you some payments. The actual payment it will give you, but the referral payment you are having more. Okay, so I just suggest you to give referrals to your friends, to your family. Okay, and you can earn a good amount of money. So guys, it's a good way. You can see, guys, I just show you how Shutterstocks actually look like. I just come up in this Shutterstock, and you can see, guys, they are earning good amount of money. You can see, guys, if someone visit your website, they will show a watermark on your photo. Okay, so that if anyone can buy, can able to copyright a material. Okay, now I'll teach you how you can download free pictures. Okay, you might give me a question that, sir, please tell me how to give the content which is should be copyright free. Okay, I just gave you a detail. You just come up in Google and just click on this images. Okay, just click on this images. I just set up background or wallpaper. Okay, HD wallpaper. I should suggest you HD wallpapers, and you can see, guys, lots and lots of wallpapers. You just need to do some modifications, guys. I just come up in this tool section. Okay, and you can see the usage rights. I just click label for reuse. Okay, and now, guys, you have an ample of results. You can see, guys, ample of results that you can resell. Okay, you just need to download it and just upload it. You can see, guys, the image is download. Okay, you can see, guys, it's absolutely free, and you can download it, have a look on these kind of things, and just okay. So there are several topics which are able to reuse. Okay, you can sell it online because they are meant to resell. Okay, there is no copyright issue, don't worry. I just sort it by label for reuse. Okay, and if this is one website, guys, I just tell you another bonus website where you can find out. It's Unsplash. The links for these websites are given in the description box. Okay, don't worry. So you can find out various kind of things, guys. I just take a childhood. Okay, you can see, guys, lots and HD photographs, high definition photographs. You can have a look on these photographs, guys. You can download it and select a good category, and eventually you are getting paid a good amount, absolutely free, because in this Unsplash the contributors are not copyright claims. Okay, they are free to use. You can reuse it and reuse it and just sell it online. That's simple, guys. I have done a lot of hard work for finding these kind of websites. So I just need a support from you guys. Just click on the subscribe button and click the like buttons as well, in order to give you the best content that you can ever have on this website. Okay, guys, see you in the next video, guys.